Universal laws in the human world. In European culture, there have been multiple attempts to unify various disparate patterns into whole ontological categories in an effort to formulate universal laws of existence. Here are some of them, leaving the right to agree or disagree with their creators. 1. The law of cause and effect. This law states that every cause has its effect, and every effect has its cause. This law manifests itself in many aspects, from human relationships, where the axiom "treat others as you would like to be treated" operates, to the first law of thermodynamics, which is a specific case of the law of conservation and transformation of energy. 2. The law of relativity. All limitations or standards regarding size, location, time, and movement in the universe are relative, not absolute. The embodiment of this law is Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this law, no system is an absolute but exists in relation to various standards. Astronauts in Earth orbit completely lose the sense of up and down. The same happens to a person who moves from one culture to another, where concepts of good and evil may be interpreted entirely differently from what they are accustomed to. 3. The law of conservation and transformation of energy. Energy can change from one form to another but cannot be created anew or destroyed. A clear example is a compressed spring. When released, it will inevitably return to its original position due to the stored energy, just as a person who has endured and accumulated aggression within themselves will eventually release it, otherwise, this energy will destroy them from within. 4. The law of universal dependence on the source of energy. All objects and phenomena in the surrounding world require a source of energy to maintain their functional state. Therefore, the creation of a perpetual motion machine is impossible, and we always need an external energy source. Humans depend on various sources of energy at any stage of their lives, from prenatal development, where the source of life is the mother's body, to scientific discoveries, which are only possible thanks to previously established laws and technologies.